Hello, snow enthusiasts and winter wanderers. Planning a vacation in the snowy wonderland is an exciting adventure, but packing for it can be a bit tricky. In this video, we're going to provide you with essential tips and a comprehensive checklist to make sure your winter getaway in the snow is comfortable, safe, and filled with fun. Let's dive right in. Tip 1. Warm clothing. Layer up for the cold. Bring thermal base layers, insulating mid layers, and a waterproof outer layer to stay warm and dry. Don't forget hats, scarves, and gloves. Tip 2. Quality winter boots. Invest in insulated and waterproof winter boots with good traction. Keep your feet cozy with thermal socks. Tip 3. Snow gear. If you're into winter sports, pack your skis, snowboard, or other equipment. If not, consider renting gear at your destination. Tip 4. Snow accessories. Bring snowshoes or ice cleats for walking in icy conditions. A sled or toboggan can add extra fun to your trip. Tip 5. Safety essentials. Carry a basic first aid kit, hand warmers, and a small survival kit that includes a flashlight, a multi-tool, and extra batteries. Tip 6. Winter sports gear. For skiing or snowboarding, remember your helmet, goggles, and appropriate safety equipment. If you're a beginner, consider taking lessons. Tip 7. Sun protection. The sun reflects off the snow, making sunscreen, lip balm, and sunglasses with UV protection crucial. Tip 8. Hydration and nutrition. Stay hydrated and energized with a thermos for hot drinks and snacks like energy bars, trail mix, and warm soups. Tip 9. Cozy accommodation. Choose accommodation with proper heating and bring along a portable heater if needed. Pack warm and comfortable pajamas. Tip 10. Winter fun and games. Don't forget entertainment. Bring books, board games, or a camera to capture your snowy adventures. Winter vacation checklist. Warm clothing. Winter boots. Snow gear. Snow accessories. Safety essentials. Winter sports gear. Sun protection. Hydration and nutrition. Cozy accommodation. Entertainment. Packing for a winter vacation can be challenging, but it's all worth it when you're out in the snow, having the time of your life. Use this checklist and follow these tips to ensure you're well prepared for your snowy adventure. If you found these tips and the checklist helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel advice, and share your own winter packing tips in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today, and here's to an amazing winter wonderland getaway.